guys, this is Elora the Pong Gal here, and today we are going to be making a floating planter out of pink water forget-me-not. Let's go back to the craft table. Plant with us, and here are our materials that we used. Crafting table. Here is our plant that we originally had over there in the sun garden. Here are the materials that we made it out of. We first had a Greek yogurt bottle. We had our foam from Lowe's for $3, and our duct tape and fishing line. First, you take a bucket and you have the plant. You massage the edges so then it basically just pops out like that. And then you massage all the root stuff off. So you go like that and you massage it all off, and then you basically just rip it apart and help the little guys out. You give it some new soil and you put it back in there. Make sure that there are no voids, and then you already split it apart. So you have the plant right here with you. You take some foam, you put it on the outer edges of the Greek yogurt bottle, and about 4 times. The top one you'll have 2 on the other side and it'll be rounded, and then the other 2 are just on the bottom. We tried duct tape. It's just that it doesn't work very well. You still can try and use it if it's waterproof or not. And then we used our fishing line for the edges, so then it made them all nice and tight. And let's go show you our finished product. Finished product of our Mycetosis scorpioids. Here's our other plants that we are going to go put back really quick. Right there. And then now we have our finished product of the foam, not the duct tape. Sorry about that, duct tape. And our fishing line. So we put our foam on the outer rims and the fishing line is right there. And we made sure that it was all nice and tight. Also, the duct tape didn't really help because of the rips right there. And we split this guy up. We put some new soil in. And then right here we made some holes so then it can get all the water out. And then if that's the Greek yogurt bottle, you won't even notice that the Greek yogurt bottle is actually in there because you can't really see it. So let's go see if it floats. We have our plant right here. Here's our beautiful pond. Here is our other plants that we're going to be separating. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get updated on those ponds and plants. So let's see if it works. That is a really nice floating. It is floating really nice. So that will be it for our video right now. Ooh, except I have something else to show you guys. My little sister. Here she is. Her name is Hattie, and she is almost turning 5. And yeah, that'll be it for our video today.